This video looks at globally changing exposures. Typically, you will find this of use once you've copied rooms from one floor to another. So in the previous video, we copied the ground floor spaces up to the first and second floors. So on the first floor, the floor will still be deemed to be ambient in contact with the ground. So what we need to do is change that to an intermediate suspended floor ceiling arrangement. So if we go into the edit menu, we have the functionality to change exposures. So what we do, we select the change exposures option, we specify the type that we're going to change, in this case floors, and apply the room filter to the first floor only. That filters all of those rooms on the first floor. What we then do, we change from we change from ambient temperature, implying it's in contact with the ground, and we change that to temperature difference, and we apply that change. That means then when we go to any of the first floor rooms, if we move up to the first floor, we then select one of these spaces, go to the face data, select the floor, and we can see now we've got an internal floor as opposed to an ambient.